Ever wondered what a day in the life of a business analyst looks like? It begins with a well-structured morning routine. The first rays of the sun signal the start of a new day, a new opportunity to solve complex business problems. With a fresh mindset and a steaming cup of coffee in hand, the business analyst dives into the day. Checking emails is the first order of business. It's crucial to stay updated, to know what has changed overnight, to respond to urgent requests, and to prioritize tasks. Next, the analyst scans the day's calendar. Being aware of upcoming meetings and deadlines helps structure the day efficiently. Finally, preparing for meetings. This involves reviewing notes, analyzing data, and formulating insightful questions. This preparation is key to driving meaningful discussions and making informed decisions. These tasks might seem mundane, but they set the tone for the day, ensuring clarity of thought and purpose. With a productive morning routine, our business analyst is ready to tackle the rest of the day. As the morning progresses, the real work begins. The heart of a business analyst's day is filled with a diverse range of tasks. One moment, you might find yourself delving into data analysis, sifting through numbers and trends to uncover valuable insights. The next, you could be knee-deep in project management, coordinating efforts across different teams to ensure that everything is running smoothly. Then comes the critical task of stakeholder communication. It's all about liaising between different parties, translating technical jargon into clear, understandable language. This requires a knack for understanding people's needs and communicating effectively. Through all these tasks, two skills stand out as particularly important: problem solving and attention to detail. As a business analyst, you're a troubleshooter, constantly navigating through complex issues. Attention to detail is equally critical, ensuring that no important information slips through the cracks. And just like that, it's time for a quick lunch break before diving back into work. Post-lunch, the pace picks up. As the afternoon sun climbs to its peak, our business analyst is already in the thick of the hustle. It's not just about poring over spreadsheets and data models, it's about being a bridge, connecting teams, ideas, and strategies. Perhaps there's a team meeting scheduled to discuss project updates. Here, our business analyst is not just a participant, but a leader, guiding the conversation, presenting findings, and aligning everyone on the same page. Post that, it could be a deep dive into project deliverables. The pressure is on, but that's where our business analyst thrives, turning complex data into actionable insights. This requires not just analytical prowess, but also excellent communication skills to ensure that these insights are understood and implemented effectively. The afternoon is a whirlwind of activity, with the business analyst juggling various tasks and responsibilities. But even after a hectic afternoon, our business analyst still has some energy left for the final stretch. As evening approaches, it's time to wrap up the day's work. For a business analyst, the end of the day is as busy as the start. It's time to summarize the day's accomplishments and setbacks and to plan for tomorrow. This might involve updating project status reports, noting down key insights, and setting goals for the next day. It's also the perfect time to respond to any outstanding emails or messages, ensuring no loose ends are left untied. Time management and organization aren't just buzzwords in this role, they're the cornerstones of a successful business analyst's routine. Each task, each email, each report forms a piece of the larger puzzle that is their project, and it's their job to make sure every piece fits just right. As the day winds down, there's a sense of satisfaction in seeing the progress made, the problem solved, and the tasks completed. And with that, our business analyst calls it a day. So, there you have it, a day in the life of a business analyst. We've taken a journey from the morning routine, where our analyst sets the tone for the day with an organized approach and a clear plan. We've seen the mid-morning grind, where a blend of communication, problem-solving, and technical skills come into play. During the afternoon hustle, the analyst juggles multiple tasks, from data analysis to stakeholder meetings, all while keeping a firm grip on the business objectives. And we've seen the evening wrap-up, where reflection, documentation, and preparation for the next day take center stage. These are just some of the tasks undertaken by a business analyst throughout the day. It requires a balance of technical knowledge, interpersonal skills, and a strategic mindset. Remember, every day can be different in the life of a business analyst, but one thing remains the same: the need for a strategic mind, a keen eye for detail, and a relentless drive to improve business outcomes.